Can you do 60?
Bruh.
Anything, you find anything good?
I found a white tag Nike jacket, man. Older. That's about it. Ain't too much. Just a bunch of jackets. Not really no t-shirts, anything. Some more local stuff, you know.
Yeah.
On the counter.
Work shirts and shit.
Yeah. Find something? Got some good stuff there?
I got a few things, just some sports shit.
Sports, yeah. Reliving the past, looking at that stuff. Huh?
Yeah, I know, man. Back in the good days, right?
Right. Tell me about it.
I hope that football turns around.
Hey, man, I don't know what the heck they're going to do about that.
They're gonna be
Every week it's like, my
it
God.
ain't gonna get any better.
Right. Exactly. You're right about that.
Yeah.
355.
Well, it looks like you've got $35 worth of stuff.
Bruh.
Here we go. Jackets.
Okay. L beam jacket.
Yeah. How much are you going for that? That's a jacket. Put our clothes out there first. Couple t-shirts. 2, 3.
No, I better pass, but thanks anyway.
3 hats.
Okay, how much on just the purse?
What do you get for this purse? That's fine.
Shoe. VHS tape. I'll probably get that on if I'm gonna get that or not. That and the packs right there. That's it.
All right, what are you thinking?
I was gonna ask you the same thing.
You'll be looking at
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
you'll be looking at $80.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $80.
Plus tax.
Can you do 60? can't do 60. What if I take this out?
Huh?
How much is this out into it?
Not very much.
Not that much.
I mean, your pricey things are your Nike jackets, your LL Bean, and your Sperry's. Those
All right.
are your pricey.
I'll do 80.
Okay.
So I got 80 right there. Take it easy.
Thank you. I better pass. But thanks anyway.
Bruh.
Had an okay day. I went to 2 week steak sales today. I don't know if I'm just gonna go over one in this video or the other. It just depends on how long this video is as far as how I edit and all that good stuff. So for right now, let's talk about the first one. This first estate sale, these people are known to have high prices, and they didn't lie. They had high prices. I went because this one was usually they have prices on every single thing, and I guess he was lazy this time, so he said basically in the article or the advertisement, pick and we'll negotiate. As you can see, there wasn't no negotiation. I let him pick the price this time because me and him had a back and forth before. He said 80, I went down to 60. He wasn't budging. No negotiation on that, right? But I knew I had a couple pieces where I knew I could make some money, so I wasn't really tripping on that. So, and y'all heard in the background, I mean, actually, when I was walking out, he told somebody no. When I was walking up, he told somebody no. And he don't negotiate. He just says, no, thanks for your offer. Have a nice day. That's all he said. But anyway, let's get into it. First thing I got here is some hats. I got this cowboy hats because y'all know I'm a Cowboys fan, even though we're not doing so swell. Dak's hurt. Hopefully Dalton can get us through. It has tags on it. Don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. It's a little dusty. I need to clean it. But these old Reebok hats do pretty good, man. It's new. I seen one that was used that went for about almost $20. I would probably put like a $30-something price tag on that, being that it has the tag on it, and it'll probably go. I've sold one like that in the past. DuPont hat ain't worth much. It had a tag, so I got it. I see these going for about a $10 piece. This right here needs to be cleaned up, but I usually do fairly well when I buy these USS Kentucky hats. It's an older one. I probably can get about a $20 piece for that or more. It just depends. I haven't looked it up yet. This Usella stamped cross stitch. I actually told him, I said, hey, if I put this back, can you give me a better deal? He said, well, it's not worth much. But this is last one I seen, comp I seen was a $40 piece on this one. So yeah, that's pretty good. Got these VHS tapes. These right here I get because when I sell DVD, actually I'm about to sell one now. I'm actually about to post one. I use these and put a couple of these with it, or one, or whatever I got at the time. I didn't have any new blank ones, and I keep those on hand just because of it. But if I was just to sell these by themselves, like this pack right here, it goes for about $24, $25. And the same with these. When they new sealed, they do pretty good. So we'll see on those. These Sperry's, these are actually in very, very great condition. These are actually my size too. Size 10, 10 and a half. And I probably can get, he even had insoles in it, so the regular sole actually looks pretty good. The original sole are inside. I probably can get about a $50 piece for those. We'll see. I've seen a couple other ones that are going for about $35, $40. So I'm probably gonna list these for $50 and see if I can get some offers. Got some clothes, of course. For some reason, my clothes been selling. So I'm selling clothes. But anyway, now I got a couple shirts and a couple jackets. I got this Big Dogs tee. It's $19.99. I just got it because it was pretty old. But these, they all over the place. You know, I might be able to get a $20-something piece for that. Hendrix race car shirt. They do okay. I've sold these for about $15. Let's go through them real quick. Now this Nike jacket, it's a white tag Nike trench jacket. And actually got the Nike on the back. I see one like this, but it had a green on the back and it didn't have Nike. It was going for about $80. So I'll probably play with this one, man. I might put a $100 piece on him.
Yes, sir.
And take offers. See what happens. You know, that's the thing. When you get stuff like this and you don't know, it's actually reversible. pretty cool. Reversible jacket. You just play with it. No, it's not reversible. I'm tripping. You just play with it. So I'll put the price tag on there, take offers, and see what happens. Got this Michelin jacket. It's the older one as well, vintage. And these do pretty good too. I think I seen one. I actually ain't seen one sold. These are actually fairly rare. I did a little bit of research on them, and there's one listed for about $50 on eBay. None sold though, so I'll probably do mine and do the same. Got this LL Bean jacket. It's actually a nice trench one, and I think I seen one. I looked up a comp, but I forget. I've been looking up so much stuff. I'll put the comp on the screen. But yeah, man, I should do pretty good on that one as well. And just a regular white tag Nike shirt. Probably can get about 20 something for that as well. It says it's an XL. This thing looks like a small, you know. But what can I say? So yeah, I spent $80 on it all. I probably wouldn't have any other time, but I was up there and I went on and paid. I know I'm gonna get my money back, so I wasn't tripping on that. And what can I say? What I probably do is I'll probably go back Sunday. I usually hit them Friday, hit them for some clothes, because their clothes are usually pretty cheap anyway. And then go back and look at all the electronics, because he had some prices on there that was kind of sky high as far as like some of the DVD players and stuff like that. I hit him for some clothes this time, a couple hats. I'll go back and hit him for electronics Sunday, half off of everything, you understand? So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.